Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to Shandong Longzhou machine. I'm Jerry. Today we're going to export an 250 kilowatts wood pellet machine to Indonesia. This pellet machine with 250 kilowatts electric motor, and it's the latest generation of our company pellet machine. This machine capacity 3 to 4 tons per hour, and this machine with an large industry gear reducer, and also all the stainless steel high quality pelletizing room and all the hoppers with an soft start control system. This machine suitable for making many different kinds of biomass material like wood sawdust, the straw waste, many things. This machine also can make 6 millimeters, 8 millimeters, 10 millimeters pellet for the few using.